Hello again everyone. In this video, let's take on the challenge together to see if it's possible to lower cholesterol naturally using some surprising oils you might not expect. Are you in? When it comes to overall health, one of the most important things we can do is manage our cholesterol levels. High cholesterol can lead to serious health complications like heart disease, stroke, and even heart attacks, which is why it's crucial that we take control of our cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a major concern for many of us. In fact, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, more than 12% of adults in the US have high cholesterol, which is a staggering number. But the thing is, high cholesterol doesn't just affect adults. It can affect anyone, regardless of age, and it's often a silent killer because it doesn't always show symptoms until it's too late. One of the biggest challenges we face when it comes to high cholesterol is the lack of awareness about how to manage it effectively. Many of us know that we need to make lifestyle changes, but we're not always sure where to start or what changes to make. And that's exactly why I want to talk about some surprising oils that can help lower cholesterol. High cholesterol can be a scary diagnosis, but it's not a guarantee that we'll develop heart disease or other serious health problems. By making simple changes to our diet and lifestyle, we can take control of our cholesterol levels and reduce our risk of serious health complications. The good news is that there are many natural ways to lower cholesterol, and some of the most effective ways involve using surprising oils that you might not expect. These oils are not only delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Olive oil, for example, is a well-known heart-healthy oil that's rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower total cholesterol and LDL, or bad cholesterol. Olive oil is effective for heart health because it's packed with monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid. These healthy fats help lower levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, which is associated with plaque buildup in arteries, while maintaining or even raising HDL, good cholesterol, which helps remove excess cholesterol from the bloodstream. Additionally, olive oil is rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which help reduce inflammation and protect blood vessels, further supporting heart health and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Avocado oil is another great option that's rich in antioxidants and has been shown to improve heart health by reducing triglycerides and improving blood vessel function. Avocado oil works wonders for heart health due to its high content of monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, which helps reduce LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. This oil is also rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and lutein, which protect cells from oxidative stress, reducing inflammation in blood vessels and promoting better circulation. These benefits contribute to improved blood vessel function, which can lower blood pressure and enhance overall cardiovascular health. The combination of healthy fats and antioxidants in avocado oil makes it an ideal choice for supporting heart wellness. And then there's flaxseed oil, which is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids and has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve overall heart health. These oils are not only delicious, but they're also easy to incorporate into your diet, whether it's through cooking, dressings, or simply taking a supplement. Flaxseed oil is highly beneficial for heart health. because it's one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. Omega-3s are essential for reducing inflammation throughout the body, including in blood vessels, which helps prevent the narrowing and hardening of arteries that can lead to heart disease. Additionally, omega-3s in flaxseed oil have been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce triglyceride levels, and even support a healthy heart rhythm. Together, these effects make flaxseed oil an effective natural option for promoting cardiovascular wellness. One of the most compelling studies on the effectiveness of these oils was published in the Journal of Nutrition, which found that consuming a combination of olive, avocado, and flaxseed oils can significantly lower total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol in just a few weeks. This is huge because it shows that making simple changes to our diet can have a major impact on our health. And it's not just about the numbers, it's about how we feel. When we're eating a diet rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, we're more likely to have energy, feel motivated, and just overall feel better. So, what's the takeaway? By incorporating these surprising oils into your diet, you can take control of your cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of serious health complications. It's not about making drastic changes or cutting out entire food groups. It's about making simple, sustainable changes that can add up over time. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. And every small step you take towards a healthier diet can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried using any of these oils to lower your cholesterol? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for more heart-healthy eating tips, be sure to subscribe to the channel for future updates.